Welcome to One Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series. Daily one question for you. Here 4 different compounds are given. The compounds are furan, pyrrole, thiamine and cyclopentadiene. You have to arrange these all 4 compounds by its resonance energy. Here first 3 compounds are aromatic, definitely stabilized by resonance energy. If you look at the S, there is no conjugation, no resonance, so it has least resonance energy. The competition really between first 3 RQP. The R is more stabilized by resonance, because if you look at the electronegativity, oxygen is higher, then nitrogen, then sulfur is least. More electronegative atom mean it don't donate the electron easily, because electrons are participating in the ring resonance. So the atom reluctantly participate if it has high electron negativity. So sulfur donate easily and nitrogen don't donate effectively. So if you look at the order, it against the electron negativity. So sulfur is more resonance stabilized, then nitrogen, then oxygen. The least one will be less conjugated one. Here the concept you have to learn here is electronegativity is a deciding factor for resonance energy and it is inversely proportional. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching.